Welcome to Composite Motors and Composite Modules. We are vertically integrated sister companies with many engineering and manufacturing disciplines and capabilities in-house. CMI does not just make motors, we design and build the machinery needed to do so. The very foundation of CMI and its diverse capabilities is based upon raw material process development, making our products better by first making improved or new materials and processes. One example is our patented and proprietary Compotherm heat sink material for semiconductor devices. Compotherm is an excellent heat transfer material which also matches the stiffness and thermal expansion characteristics of silicone devices and substrates. This technology permits us to create high-power motor drivers in very small packages. Ceramics of various thickness are cast as green or pre-fired strips with the ability to be stamped and metallized prior to firing in 3000 degree Fahrenheit kilns. The companies that make up CMI have an unusually wide range of capabilities and experiences. That experience begins with new raw materials and creating new semiconductor products and continues to motors, drivers, and related products including electric vehicle control and management systems, but is not limited to that area. Our history of building special automation equipment for other manufacturers required that our engineers become intimately familiar with each product to be made in one of our lines. As a vertically integrated company, we have control over every aspect of manufacturing, thus assuring quality products for our customers. CMI is people committed to overcoming technical challenges and achieving real innovation. The policy of CMI is to test its products beyond the level of reliability required by the customer's performance acceptance criteria. This practice creates continuous improvement of reliability and new standards of excellence in performance for CMI.
Here in our R&D facility, cleanliness is of the utmost importance. One of the many ways we achieve this is by combining a high-temperature braze furnace with a hydrogen atmosphere. When conventional methods don't cut it, we turn to our 2300 watt CO2 laser. To further prove our state-of-the-art manufacturing abilities, we utilize various sputtering methodologies, such as reel-to-reel, MRC with plasma etch, and balzers. This equipment enables us to metallize ceramics for superior heat transfer. In our constant pursuit for the truth, we turn to our analytical equipment for answers. This is our X-ray diffractometer, which identifies any phase changes and determines lattice structures and sizes. Next is our ICP spectrometer, which helps us identify elements in liquids, up to parts per billion. This is our gas chromatograph that provides fingerprint analysis of compounds located in gases. Lastly, this is our scanning electron microscope, which allows us to examine materials and components at the submicron level.
Here at Composite Motors, we use modern high-speed electronic parts placement machines. This will allow for expedient construction of our assembled circuits. Our pick-and-place equipment is manned and monitored by trained personnel. Using RoHS-compliant components and materials, our highly trained and experienced staff performs hand assembly operations and inspection procedures. This all takes place under an environmentally controlled condition. Here in our lidding department, you are witnessing in-house constructed resistance welding equipment used to hermetically seal our packages. This technology, combined with proprietary material schemes, gives our customers a superior product. In keeping with our quality policy, each process requires a subsequent inspection or test. Using modern helium leak technology, our packages are tested for proper hermeticity.
Welcome to Composite Motors Building 4 Motor Assembly Area. In these next video clips, our motto, raw material to raw power, is evident. You will get a glimpse at machinery designed and built by our own team of engineers. These machines are one of a kind and built for specific needs. The lamb stacker auto feeds while it punches out and stacks lambs in a one-step process. The auto winders, we have two, allow for a more uniformed wound stator. We test the units at different stages of build to exceed our customers' requirements. Our engineers have designed and built test equipment for final build that ensures 100% quality to our customers. The automated chemical stripper was created to consistently strip a stator to an exact length. It removes all contaminants from wires in preparations for final build while protecting the operator. As a vertically integrated company, we make our own tape for the in-house pick-and-place and chopper machines. The pick-and-place can load up to 20,000 pieces in an 8-hour day. The chopper can cut, tape, and reel up to 36,000 pieces in an 8-hour day. These machines were created to increase productivity in our board build areas. Our two in-house laser welders are programmable and ready for any job. Hope you enjoyed your tour of our building. Thank you.
Here at CMI, our manufacturing goal is to have the ability to satisfy any manufacturing requirements presented. In an effort to meet our goals, we staff a full manual machine shop, including manual turning, milling, and grinding equipment. This equipment, along with skilled personnel, allows for flexibility in manufacturing, prototyping, and research and development support. CMI's manual machine shop is often responsible for producing equipment used daily in our production environment. Further extending our abilities to manufacture even the most sophisticated components, CMI employs a full CNC mold making and tool and die operation. Through the use of CNC wire EDM machines, vertical milling machines, and EDM die sinking equipment, CMI has the ability to manufacture components consistently to within 2/10,000ths of an inch. Additionally, CMI utilizes Swiss screw machine CNC turning centers to satisfy high-volume production requirements. Precision lapping machines guarantee surface parallelism where required by design. Automatic stamping presses run stamping dies engineered and produced in-house, shoring inventory levels by tens of thousands of parts per day. In order to qualify dimensional accuracy, all parts produced receive a thorough inspection by our quality control department. All parts are inspected to meet or exceed print specifications, which guarantee compliance with intended fit, form, and function.
Plastics are all over the world. If you walk into your average merchandise store, you will find hundreds if not thousands of plastic parts made by the molding press. With our own tool room and molding department, we have the capability to design a part and make it. There are thousands of different plastics that can be melted and ran through the injection molding press to form most any part. We currently make a part that weighs less than 1/10 the weight of a dime, and we'll be making parts that weigh over a half a pound.